What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing my C6 Corvette
and my Traxxas E-Revo,
and we're gonna race.
Just bring your left arm up, say 3, 2, 1, and drop.
Okay, ready? On 3.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
unexpected than what I initially thought. The takeoff time in this Corvette is very fast compared to other cars, but at the same time, you compare it to an electric motor and it's just entirely different.
A problem we had in the second round, whenever I accelerated, it swerved over in front of the Corvette, so he hit the brakes on that one, but...
And that's because of the tires, right?
Yeah, the tires balloon up because of the holes in them for water, and so it caused it to swerve over to the right.
And I initially thought, at first I thought we were going to race a little bit farther, but with his remote he can only go so far, right? You just want
distance.
Well, and we were still kind of on a busy road, and so that kind of turned into a problem. We tried it like, we actually were there, we left, and then we came back and had to try it again. It was still extremely busy on a late evening on the weekend.
Yeah, the first round we were closer, and the second one we scooted back a little bit, but then I ended up getting in front of him.
Yeah, and I mean, and that probably kind of is what caused it. And then also your point of view was a little bit harder too. You were standing in the front. So I mean, next time if we get a little bit more space, we could definitely have that laid out a little bit better. But thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and a comment, and definitely subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming your way.